3, go. Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Woo! Woo! Low back. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sala Johnny, guys. So you can go by AJ for short. Yeah. Today's video, we're gonna do reply to surround messages. Basically, nandito ako sa bahay ng isang friend ko na si Julius. You can see him right there. Yeah, hi Jules.
Hello.
Thank you for the house. May ubo pa rin ako, guys. So medyo matagal na nung nag-video ako ulit kasi we are so busy at school. Diba, Julius? Shh! Julius! I don't know that. As what you can see, we are using this mic. We'll be using this in replying surround messages. Let's start it, guys! Let's now start the replying to surround messages. For the first one, guapo.
Wait, no!
For the first one, guys, is from Anonymous. Obviously, Anonymous siya. Love kay Tikalat. I love you too. Ay kung kalimti kung musikat na ka, love you. Love you too. Ano to? Grabe! Pagkatapos ng lahat, iiwan mo lang ako. Pagkatapos mo akong i-rape sa film ngayon, iba na kasama mo sa DP mo. Ha 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 ha. Charot lang, amigo. I know this one. Hi, Rachel. Hi to you. Siya dito akong gi-rape sa mong film. In 3, 2, 1. Ako siya kirape, tabakay ko dito, oh my god. Hi, karon lang ko mag-confess, ha ha ha. Pero dugay na jud ko nagkagusto sa iyo. Pero bawal, you see. Pero bawal. I've been waiting for you. Pero bawal, you see. Pero that's way back. Nag-laugh na lang ako ngayon pag ma-remember ko. Pag ma-remember ko ba gaano ka shitty. Gaano ka shitty yun. God bless your future endeavors. You know, okay lang na nag-confess ka ngayon. Kasi, yun, ano lang. I don't know, pero sana nagpakilala ka. I hope I'll meet you soon. If kung sino ka man. Hello, sa'yo. And, actually, di ba siya shitty? Siguro, bawal siya for some reason. Kasi, siguro, friends tayo or what. I can sense that friendship is much more important than love life. Do you agree with me, Julius? Next one. Ngano sige kag-post og video. Fame or good kaayo ka. Oh, ay baka kulang pa yung video, no? Sige, dadagdagan ko po. Magpo-post pa ako ng marami pang videos para sa'yo. Hoy, Isaac, pati sa'yo, akay pakyo. You see, dilito siya bad word akong giingon. I love you too. Next! Gwapuhan ni mo ay lamit kay ka ba shit? Lalaki jud ka? Si Julius ako kasi katawa, pero lalaki ko. Oh, lalaki ko. Si Julius si katawa, pero lalaki jud ko, guys. Diba, Jules?
Dili na sa lalaki ka.
Wow! Lalaki lagi jud ko. Kisan di karon. Asa kisa day ka? Kisan di karon. For the next one! Peace Land. Ha ha ha. Peace 2. Favorite person in UM. Grabe, dagan kay students sa UM. Kung sino ka man, marami masyadong students sa UM and I'm your favorite person and I'll be honored to be one of your favorite person in University of Mindanao. Thank you very much. I can't think of anything. I can feel nothing. Ano to? Basically, you are having a depression, I think. Based on my experience, ganyan talaga yan. It's inevitable. Dili na siya mapugan mga na, guys. Pero muna siya pinakagwapo na feeling sa mundo after that. After you've experienced that kind of emotion, that kind of feeling, and it's very satisfying. Diba? Diba, Julius?
Yeah.
Yes! Next one! Pa-Blue Lemonade ka naman dyan! Ha 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 ha! Actually, sorry, wala akong Blue Lemonade. Wala akong Blue Lemonade, guys. So, I'll be giving you a brown. Pero di siya lemonade. It's a brown saging. Kaya yung brown saging, dapat kay yellow, dapat green. Gusto nyo? Marami kaming saging dito. Baka gusto nyo yung saging ko. Itong saging na to, yung color brown. The next one. All of me loves all of you. Feel emotional to siya, or I don't know. Basta, taas yung message! I'm not expressive or cheesy, you know me. No, I do not know you, or not. Lamaw. But I care for you. Not in a romantic way though, duh, lol. But please. Nag-load siya actually, kaya nag-lock akong screen. Wait lang. Not in a romantic way though, duh, lol. Please do take care of your body. Don't stress yourself too much. You deserve great things. Just wanna say that in case you forgot about it, I'll be one of the many saying you made us proud, AJ. Be you, be amazing, Charles. Ha 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 ha. Oh, cutie! I really appreciate your message kung sino ka man. I think kailan ko mo pero ambot lang. Pero yeah, I do take care of my body kahit nagataba na ko, nagataba na dyan ko, grabe na dyan. You deserve great things. Thank you! Sino pong tao ang sa tingin mo kilalang kilala ka aside sa family? Thank you po, kuya. Thank you rin po, kuya. Sa tingin ko, my friends, specifically yung barkada ko na RR, and yung mga friends ko sa UM na medyo close ko, yeah, I mean, anong medyo? Basta close ko sila. Specifically doon, sa RR, maybe it's Katrina Luis Petrachi. Hi sa'yo, bestie. Ang nabi kong bestie, no? Fuckboy. Na-joke lang. Next! Hello! Ha 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 ha! Crush kunti ka sa una, ha? Fame na ka, pero managad gyapon. Oh! Amazing! Pero dili ko famous. Pero managad ko. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The next one. Maapel niya akong message sa imong vlog. It's from KMRG. Obviously, it's crucial. Yes, actually, na-apel siya. Obviously, na-apel siya karon. Maong na-crushan ka sa una kay talented kayo ka. Bright side ug buutan. Yahahaha. Sige, maulang. I appreciate your, what you call that? Paghanga sa akin. I really appreciate that. Dili ko bright, dili ko sa kubutan. Guys, dili ko bright yung buutan. Hi idol, taga Davao lang ko pero wala pag yapon di ka nakita. Hope to see you soon, kuya. Subscriber ko ni mo. Subscriber ko ni mo sa hihi. Yay! Hello! Davaoenyo! Proud Davaoenyo! I hope I'll see you soon. Kung magkita mata ko, hita lang ko. Okay? Magkita lang tapuhon. Eyeball. Eyeball tas G-ball. Eyeball tas sa the peak. Wait lang. Solido! AJ Estrada! Hi babe! Bisan kalimtan ako nimo after that night, I will always have the mini AJ here. He's 2 years old now. Joke! Ha 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 ha! Wawex, more power sa imong channel, teammate. Ginaisip ako kung kinsa ni siya. Kaya wala pa man, virgin pa ba siya? Next one. Smart is the new sexy. Dili ko sexy, no? Di mo ko smart. Di ba, Jules?
Lo, padinay pa dun.
Next one! Makikita pa kaya kita, babe? Yes, babe. Makikita pa tayo. Hello again! So, nalubat na ay ang camera. Next one! VG mo ko, lapit na birthday ko from babe. Sino ba babe ko? Gusto mo niya kong babe. Kailan nakita akong babe? Ayaw even gago. Kasi VG. Video greet? Video
VG.
It's video greet, right?
Video
Oh,
call.
VG. Kung magpapakilala ka din, mag-video greet ako. Kung maka-video greet, parang yung famous ba? Wanna see you soon. Wanna see you soon too, so subscribe on my channel for me to gain 1K subscribers. I will go to a YouTube event, then kikita nyo rin ako doon. See you soon kung sino ka man. Crush kita, crush mo rin ba ako from A? Taken na kasi ako, guys. So wala bito ko na kayo. Maybe? Yes, maybe not. Alan, akong polo shirt. Ako ang polo shirt. Ha 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 ha. Malagod ko lang yun ang mag-polo shirt. Now, next one. Hi po, Kuya AJ. Inaki Salazar po yung YouTube channel ko. Oh, hi, Inaki Salazar. Yeah, I'll be subscribing on your YouTube channel and I'll get back to you. Hi, Kuya. Crush na ko yung manghod sa una. Okay, PM nyo lang siya. He's open for anything. This is the last one, guys. Idol, pansinin mo ko ang astig mo. Wow! Anong perfume mo? Okay, it's Oxygen Static. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this whole video. Okay, nalobat siya. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel if you are new. And click the bell button for you to be updated. If you like this, give it a massive thumbs up. Like and share it, guys. That's it, guys. Be amazing. See you in the next video. Bye. Basta make movie. Bye bye. For all the times that you're in